Hello and welcome. So in this video, we will discuss about the applications of Python. First is data science. Python has become a go-to language for data science due to its simplicity and powerful libraries. Whether you are working with data analysis, visualization, or big data, Python has tools like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn to make data manipulation and visualizations seamless. Python's popularity in data science is also fueled by its extensive ecosystem, making it easier for data scientists to extract insights from data and make data driven decisions. Second, machine learning. Moving on to machine learning, Python is the perfect and preferred choice for building models and algorithms that enable computers to learn and make predictions. Libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, Scikit-learn, and PyTorch provide a robust framework for everything from linear regression to deep learning. With developers can easily prototype and scale machine learning models, making it essential for AI development. Third, web development. Python is also a powerful tool for web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask offer high-level web development capabilities, enabling developers to build secure, scalable web applications with ease. Django, for instance, comes with a built-in admin interface, authentication, and other features that significantly speed up development. Flask, on the other hand, provide a lightweight and flexible framework for those who prefer more control over their application's components. Fourth, computer vision and image processing. When it comes to computer vision and image processing, Python is a strong contender with libraries like OpenCV and PIL, that is Pillow. These libraries allow developers to process images and videos, perform object detection, facial recognition, and even augmented reality. Whether you are enhancing images, detecting objects, or working with real time video, Python offers the tools needed for sophisticated image processing tasks. Fifth, embedded systems and IoTs. In the realm of embedded systems and IoTs, that is, Internet of Things, Python is gaining traction due to its ability to interface with hardware easily. Libraries like MicroPython and CircuitPython bring Python to microcontrollers, enabling developers to write simple scripts that interact with the sensors, actuators, and other devices. Python's ease of access, Python's ease of use, and readability make it ideal for rapid prototyping and deploying IoT solutions. Last but not the least is job scheduling and automation. Python excels in job scheduling and automation tasks. With tools like Celery for task queues, AP Scheduler for job scheduling, and Fabric for automating deployments, Python simplifies a repetitive task and allows for more efficient workflow management, whether you are automating server maintenance, deploying code, or managing background tasks. Python provides the flexibility and power needed to streamline the processes. So these are the application areas of Python. Thank you.